What is up? Welcome back. I am back with a little bit of a haul. Since all of this coronavirus crap has been going on, I've been running out to the store almost every day, making runs, trying to find supplies. Luckily, I got started early before like the schools and stuff here in Michigan got closed down, and got out early in the morning at times too, and I was able to get like lots of water, lots of toilet tissue, lots of paper towel and things like that. But while I was out, of course, I was looking at nail products and different things, so I just wanted to come on and share with y'all what I found at a few different stores that I went to, like Dollar Tree, a regular like dollar store we have here called Dollar Castle's really big. Or else did I go? Big Lots, CVS, Five Below. So yeah. Alright, so I'll start with these. Of course, y'all seen these before. I went back to a Dollar Tree, and the same Dollar Tree that I found these at, I had went back again, trying to look for hand sanitizer and things like that, and they had restocked these. So they did have more, so I picked up a couple more. And I'm thinking of putting these, can you all see? Okay. I'm thinking of putting these with my, with the giveaway. I'm actually thinking of doing a small, giveaway to start, and then doing a 1K giveaway with like a few more things in it. I'm thinking about, I'm not sure yet, but I have been picking up a couple of things for it. So yeah, I picked up 2 more of those. Seems like it's so dark. Okay, sorry guys, I'm fixing it. Okay. And then at the place that I told you guys, it's a dollar store here called Dollar Castle. And they had these Bio Swiss lint-free nail wipes. And as you can see here, it says, sorry, use with nail polish remover, removes nail glue with residue. It also cleans nails, brushes, and you can use it to clean nails, brushes, and tools, and preps nails for gel manicures. And so I thought that was cool for just $1, and they look like they're decent size. You get 180 in here. And I wish I would have picked up more than one. I'm going to go back. Hopefully there's some more left and get another pack. Maybe I'll put that in the giveaway also. Just open them up and look at them. This is what they look like. So they're actually really thin. But I did want to see how they work, like when I'm cleaning off my acrylic nail brushes, and I mean even for, like they say, remove and polish and all those different things, and that they're lint free. That's good. So yeah, I think I'm gonna pick some more of these up. They're not too like flimsy or anything. They're thin but not flimsy. Alright, I also picked up some cotton rounds. I like to use these to remove polish also, and like face makeup, putting my my makeup remover on these. So I picked up these 100 pack of them. I'll show y'all what I got at Five Below. I don't know why this keeps getting so dark. Stop it. Oh, actually, okay. These 2 are from Dollar Tree. These are new Bolero products. They have a whole new set out. I didn't come across the whole new set. Usually the Dollar Tree I go to has it, but this time they did not. They only had 2 items, so they have like new packaging, and new like scents or whatever. But this is the Bolero Beverly Hills 2 times concentrated banana beauty exfoliating body wash. It says buff your skin and boost your natural glow. No parabens, no dyes. This is 10 fluid ounces, so it's a nice size. You use it in the shower, and you use it to exfoliate, and I love a good exfoliating body wash. I always use an exfoliating body wash and a regular like cream body wash. I put it on my loofah and mix them together. Love it. So yeah, I can't wait to try this. Let's see how it smells. Jeez, it took me like an hour to open that. Alright, let's smell it. Oh my god, it smells exactly like a banana. Like, exactly. Oh, it smells so good. I'm using this in the morning for sure. And then I also found the Bolero hair product in its new packaging and a new product. I like how they have this cute little design on the top, little marshmallows, but it's called Marshmallow Rice Milk Loving Curls Hair Mask. It hydrates and defrizz. It says paraben-free ingredients. It's 5 fluid ounces. It says nourishing and frizz-fighting formula for soft, bouncy curls. Apply thoroughly on clean, wet hair and let sit for 2 to 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly. So, yeah, my boys have curly hair, and I'm going to test this out on them, and if it works, I will be back to get more. See if this smells like marshmallows. Oh, we have another hard to open thing here. I don't know if I'm going to find something and just poke it open. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, it does. It smells sweet. It's like a creamy texture. Oh, that smells really good too. Yum, yum. Yeah, so I'll have them test that out this weekend. Today is Saturday. They're out of school for the next 3 weeks due to the, well, actually all schools in all states closed down. So due to the coronavirus, they closed the schools down, y'all. Oh, I'm gonna go insane. So when I went to Five Below, I came across, I love a good Freeman product. It is new that I've seen there. It's the Indian turmeric gel cream mask, hydrates skin for radiant complexion. Now the way you can use this is you can apply it to your clean face and neck, avoid contact with eyes, of course, and hairline. So you leave on for 10 to 15 minutes all day, or you can leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes or all day or overnight. The gel cream absorbs into the skin with no need to rinse and no need to worry about it getting onto your pillow. Use twice a week or as often as needed. So I've used it twice already. Love it. I put it on after doing my facial and I sleep in it, and then I just do my regular facial wash routine in the morning, and so far it's been fine. It hasn't peeled my skin or broke me out or anything like that. So I like this. And then right now I have on this All That Glitz pomegranate and tea paper facial mask from Dollar Tree, the Bolero. I have that sitting on my face right now. Let me see if I can show you guys. So it's almost time for me to take it off. Oh, that is still in here, still in the package. Alright, back to this haul. I'll let this sit on there until I am done. Alright, so next from Dollar Tree, I found like a little display, and it had Crayola on it, and I went to go look at it, and they had these cute like little kitty nail polishes, lip balms, and different things. I think I took a picture. If I did, I will insert it right here. But it was cute, like different color things on there. So I picked up one of the polishes. It's called Razzmatazz, and it's a pretty little pink color. And I just wanted to have it because it says Crayola and it's a nail polish, and I don't have one like that in my collection. So I picked that up. Then also at Dollar Tree, the new Dollar Tree that I found, the soak off thingies at. They had LA Colors Color Craze nude collections. This one is Prosperous, and it's kind of like a mauve color. Let's see. You guys can see it. I really like this shade. I've never used a shade like this either, so I'm trying to get like shades I never use. I've never used a color like this either, except for like to do some nail art. This one is Innocence, so I picked this one up. And I'll also put a picture of the display in for you guys. There was about 4 more colors, I think, or so. So yeah, I just picked up these two, Prosperous and Innocence. And then at Big Lots, which I showed you guys in the Big Lot nail polish owl video, was the gel like shines LA Colors Color Craze gels. And I picked out the height, and you guys just look at the hollow on that. And that, I mean, they matched it perfect with the lid. It looks exactly like the top. I hope y'all didn't hear that. My husband. But isn't this gorgeous? It's so pretty. And again, this is a color that I really never wear, so I wanted to grab something that different. And then let me see, is this the last thing? Oh, Beauty Supply. Like where you go get your like hair weaves, wigs, and you know, all that stuff. You know, local beauty supply shop. You can go in there and find like different things like this, but this is by Super Nail, and this, they sell a lot of products by Super Nail in there. I picked up a cuticle softener and remover. It's 4 fluid ounces. It's a really good size, nice wide size, and it was just $1.99. So I picked that up from the beauty supply store. Oh, and I also found these cute pins that like everyone's wearing now, the big little like cute bobby pins. These were at Five Below for $3. They had Love and what the other one say? I think the other one said Glam or Babe or something like that. I can't remember. But you get these 2 regular ones and then this big Love one for $3. So basically $1 each. And I had to grab these, especially with the Love on it. And I thought they were really pretty. And so, yeah, so lastly, I went into 7-Eleven, and I was going in there to actually go to the pharmacy for my son, and I walked across the Trolls Ward. I cannot talk now. The Trolls World Tour collection. And I thought this was beautiful. This one was actually almost gone. Like everyone was only buying this color. This one is called Pink and Poppy. Pink and Poppy. But look at how beautiful. See how it sparkles? Oh my god. So I had to get this. It was like $7.50. And they had other colors, and of course I took a picture, and I will insert it right now. So yeah, that is my haul, you guys, for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please remember to click the subscribe button. Don't forget, I will be having that giveaway. I'm not sure if I'm going to do like the small one, or I'm going to do a small one now, or I'm just going to wait till the end and do, you know, something a little bigger. I'm not sure, but if I do a small one, you know, I'm going to let y'all know, okay? So yeah, be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn the bell on so you guys will know when I upload a new video. And give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for visiting my channel, subscribing, and doing all those great things, giving me support. Appreciate it. Love you guys. See you guys in the next video.